I'm really so interested talking to you because you are all talking to me. It's really so nice to talk to you as a foreigner.
Thank you.
So why you are doing this? Do you have any plan for today?
Not really. We've got severe ADHD, so it's really like see what happens.
Oh,
Who knows where we'll end up? We might end up in the
yeah. You all are really so beautiful, so beautiful. Thank you so much. So appreciated for all. Yeah. Okay. So as we know, the Christmas days is really so coming very soon on 25 December. So what are you gonna do on this celebration? Do you have any special
On
day?
Christmas,
Yeah.
we're gonna hang out with you.
Oh, you're gonna hang out. So wish I could enjoy with all of you on the 25 December. So it would be really so nice. So do you wanna to invite me?
Sure, we'd love to invite you. Let's hang out.
Oh,
Yeah.
really? So okay. So think about. So I'm just gonna to come in Australia to celebrate the Christmas on 25 December with all of you. So
Yeah.
so what are you gonna do for me as a special?
We're going to
Yeah.
do some butthole tanning.
Oh, really?
We're gonna do some yoga out in the sun.
Yeah.
We're gonna get one with nature.
Oh.
We're gonna go skinny dipping in waterfalls.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What a beautiful moment it is. I'm really so happy. So I'm thinking about it. Oh, okay, so it's that I'm just doing fun. Okay, so I'm from Bangladesh. It's continental different, just making the fun. But one day, my dream will come true. I will celebrate the Christmas Day in Australia.
Yeah, manifest.
Okay, so
I want it to happen.
oh, for sure. Okay.
Imagine you join us. Imagine you see him at the Christmas table literally next year with us all. What do you know? We've been on Vigo.
Okay, so what do you want? What do you want from me? I want to buy something for yours, for all of you.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
Are you serious?
Yeah, seriously.
Oh my god, we love you. We need to get our nails fixed.
Oh, okay, definitely. Oh, beautiful nails. Oh, beautiful decoration. So,
Just want your presents. Your present will be a gift.
oh my goodness, how interesting it is.
Your presents will be our presents.
You all proved that you are genuine, honest, and polite. Oh man, polite, really. I'm so happy that you said that my presence is the best gift. What a beautiful lady you are. So do you like to travel? Do you like to travel?
We love to travel, but for
Yeah.
people that love to travel, we don't travel very often.
Did you ever been to another country?
No, but we're trying.
Oh, okay, so you come over in Bangladesh. I will help you as an interpreter, whatever else. Your baby? Okay. Your baby?
Yeah.
Oh, beautiful.
That ain't no average baby.
Yeah. Yeah. Hi,
She's got
baby.
clean teeth.
Okay. Hey, baby. Okay, I will buy something for you. Just a little car. Little car. I will buy for you, baby.
A little car. You want a little car?
Do you want? Okay. I will buy. Really. Really, I will buy a little car when I think I will come in Australia middle of 2024. Okay, so if it's possible, so I'm just connected with you on this platform. I will let you know when I'm gonna to come, and I will buy a little car for you, baby.
Can you teach us how to cook your favorite meal? Yeah, come over for dinner.
For sure, I will do.
Literally, should I screenshot this?
Oh, so
First time we ever
oh,
made.
so funny boy. Okay, no, don't worry. I'm gonna to come to you. Okay, and
She wants to talk to you. You're lovely.
I'm so my heart is filled with joy. Come, oh baby, look, I like the baby and I love to talk to the baby. Baby, you're good. Oh, sure.
It's my birthday today. It's my birthday today.
Today? Today?
Yeah.
Oh,
It is
happy
right.
birthday to you, baby. So,
Follow our Instagram.
oh, what's your for Instagram link?
Think about one.
I want the present.
Your name is? Your name is your?
Yeah, think about egg.
Okay, for sure. Okay, I will. Thank you, Will. Thank you so much. Okay.
Have a good night.
Okay.
Take care.
Okay, bye.
I want